Hello and welcome. This video will show you how to properly replace your mirrors on your Ford Transit. And if you're not careful, removing your mirrors, it can end up like this. The main tool that you will actually need, a good sized screwdriver, and I prefer to wear gloves because you never know what can happen when you're dealing with glass. Just place your screwdriver right behind the center of your mirror, right in the center, and just carefully, just take your time, and just pry it loose from the center. There we go. On most mirrors, you will have a two-wire connection. You will have a red wire and a ground wire. So just carefully disconnect from those two wires. Now you will carefully do the same on the lower mirror. Just take your time. Make sure you have your screwdriver in the center and pry right out. When you install, you just make sure that the center lines up and just press your mirror back in. Make sure when you order your mirror, it's important that you know which mirror that you actually need. Make sure that your local parts department understand which mirror you need, because there are mirrors without a prong and there are mirrors with prongs. So just make sure that you order the right one. Even sometimes you give your last aid to the parts department, they can still mistakenly give you the wrong mirror. Now it's time to place back on our mirror. Make sure you connect the two wires, the hot wire and the negative wire. Make sure they are properly connected. Now this is very important. Just take your time, properly center your mirror, and this is why I like gloves, and just press it in with the hand that you are wearing gloves. After that, you should feel it snap into place. That's what you want. That's how you install your mirror on your Ford Transit. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.